one of my early favorite rooms of the show. So they did reverb checks in here. There's a lot of treatments and subs on and off, so.
They share their magic in, but it never did return. I have to go back. Thank you.
I know a place that's quiet and cool, a place to go to think and ponder. It's not so far away, just yonder. The grass is green, the trees are high, and there's a dark, deep magic pool. Look long enough, it's very old, and you may see a glint of gold.
Fantastic system.
I can feel a storm coming, I can sense the air change, cause the skies are turning as the world's burning grey. The wind's breathing heavy, the dark clouds are closing in, so I run to the open, cause the rain is my friend. The rain is my friend, friend. The rain is my friend.
Yeah.
The rain is my friend.
Yeah.
I can feel the air changing, yeah, it's warm and
2-channel needs
thick.
subwoofers.
The sun's disappearing and the clouds